How to customize Start menu categories in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to change how your apps are grouped and displayed in the Start menu. First, right-click on an empty area of your taskbar. After that, click on Taskbar Settings from the menu that appears. Let me show you. From there, click on Personalization from the left side menu. At this point, click on Start to open its settings. In the next step, look for the section labeled All Apps List. Following this, click on Category View if you want your apps automatically grouped by type, such as productivity or entertainment. Once done, click on Grid View instead if you'd rather see every app listed alphabetically. From here, turn off the toggle next to Show Recommendations if you want more space for your pinned and installed apps. At this stage, close Settings once your preferences are set. Keep in mind, categories are formed automatically once you have 3 or more similar apps, and Microsoft doesn't currently allow renaming or customizing these categories yourself. Finally, come back to the same menu anytime you want to switch between category and grid view again. And that's it. If this guide helped you customize Start menu categories in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.